Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade mango jam. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need approximately 2 pounds of ripe mangoes, which is about 3 to 4 medium-sized fruits, for that perfect sweet and tangy base. We'll also use 1 cup of granulated sugar to sweeten it just right, and 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice to help the jam set and brighten the flavors. Don't forget a tiny pinch of salt to round out the taste. Now that you have your ingredients ready, let's prepare the mangoes. Carefully peel the skin from your ripe mangoes, then dice the flesh into small, uniform pieces, aiming for about 1/2 inch cubes. This size helps them break down nicely during cooking. Transfer these diced mangoes into a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Add the 1 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and the pinch of salt. Stir everything together gently and let it sit for about 30 minutes. This step helps the mangoes release their delicious juices. With your mango mixture macerated, it's time to cook it to perfection. Place your pot over medium-high heat and bring the mixture to a rolling boil, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Once boiling, reduce the heat to a simmer and continue cooking for 20 to 30 minutes. Stir frequently to ensure even cooking. The jam is done when it thickens and reaches 220 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer, or when a small dollop gels on a chilled plate. Your delicious homemade mango jam is almost complete. The final step is jarring and storage. First, sterilize your glass jars and lids by boiling them in water for 10 minutes. Carefully ladle the hot jam into the warm, sterilized jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the rims clean, then seal them tightly with the lids. For long-term storage, process the sealed jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. Once cooled, your beautiful jam is ready to enjoy or store for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.